Perimeter of circle.
Like the outside of
Circumference.
Oh, okay. Pi times diameter.
Yeah. So I need to make sure that 2 pi r or pi d.
Yeah.
I want to make sure you understand the fundamental concept first. Okay, so let's say you have this circle. So the most important feature of the circle is the center. Because once you have the center of the circle, then you have the radius. The radius is from the center to the circumference. Right?
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you don't have the center, then you don't have the radius. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. So now, if the radius in this case is 7 cm, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then the area will be pi times 7 squared, which is 49 pi. Of course, if you use your calculator, you will get a non-stop, no pattern answer, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not interested in that. Okay, so this is for the full circle. So basically, this is the area of circle, right? Okay, good. Okay, so what about semicircle? So semicircle is area of semicircle is half, right?
Mm-hmm.
Half circle, so it's half times 49 pi lah, right? So it's 49 over 2 pi. Of course, I'm not interested in the answer. Then of course, what about quadrant? What about quadrant?
1/4 times
1 quarter, yeah? So it's 1 quarter times the
49
49 pi. So it's 49 over 4 pi, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what have you observed? Okay, is semicircle, quadrant, full circle. So all these are, I will say, quite standard questions, very standard questions. So what if you don't get standard questions? What if you don't get standard questions? So what are non-standard questions then? Instead of half, instead of 1 quarter, what if they ask you to for just a pizza slice of a circle? This is not half, this is not 1 quarter, this is just a slice of a circle.
Measure with.
Then they will give you the angle here, right?
Yeah.
So let's say the angle, okay, this angle is definitely more than 90, so I will say 100. So how do you find the area of this slice of the circle?
Area.
Yeah, area of this slice.
100 over 360 times 49 pi.
Very good. So this is 7, so the radius so it's 100 over 360 and times the 49 pi, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you want to find what is the fraction of this 100 degree, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Over the 360, you get a fraction, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in a way, what we have done just now is semi means half circle, quadrant means 1 quarter circle. So over here, 100 degree, you want to find out what's the fraction of the full circle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you will find the area of this. I'm not interested in the answer. So if you simplify, can you help me simplify just the number part without considering the pi? So how many pi for this question?
5 over 18.
5 over 18. Okay, so basically this is 5 over 18 pi. If you want to find the area of this, okay, this slice. Okay, so this one, 100 is 100 degrees, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Now, the same question. I'm going to answer your this what is R. I need to lead you with some context. Hold on, so I need to. Okay, I don't need this part on this one. So it actually is the same. Okay. Okay. Instead of giving you in 100 degree, which I call it the degree mode, they can give you in R means radian.
It's radian.
Radian. So R means radian. D means degree.
What is radian? What is
So
degree?
degree, you know, is 100 degree. Okay? So this angle is 100 degree. So radian is radian mode. So it's just another unit for. This is another unit for angle. Okay?
Okay.
So let me give you more context. 1 kilometer is a unit for length, right? So your 1 kilometer, you can also get it into meter, right? So the kilometer is a unit for length. Meter is also a unit for length. And there is a conversion. The conversion factor is 1000 in this case. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Does it make sense? So basically you have kilometer, you have meter, they are both units for length. And between these two units, there is a conversion factor, 1000.
Okay.
So similarly, your radian and degree, they are both unit for angle. Okay, what's the conversion? You don't know yet.
1000.
You don't know it. Oh, no, that one is for length.
Okay.
That one is 1 kilometer to meter. So now it's radian to degree. So what's the conversion? The conversion is this. Pi is equal to 180 degree. So just now, why?
Why?
There's no why. Have you ever questioned why 100, why 1 kilometer is 1000 meter? You just take it, right? Have you ever questioned why 1 meter is 100 cm? You just take it, right? Right? So you just accept it.
Okay.
Of course, you don't want to go through the pain of. I mean, someone has invented this, and we get to we get to eat the fruits of their hard work. Or you want to go and plant your own seeds, like go and figure out. No need, just harvest the fruits. Okay?
Okay.
So given the conversion is pi to 100 degree, 180 degree, so just now 100 degree is what?
Pi.
Pi is 180 degree.
Yeah.
So 100 degree is how much?
Pi minus 80 degrees.
Wrong. You should do what first? You should do 1 degree how much?
1/180 of pi.
So over here you divide by 180, right?
Yeah.
To get 1 degree, right? So similarly your pi also must divide by
180.
correct. So your this will become pi over 180, right? So 1 degree is actually pi over 180, right?
Yeah.
Wait. Then 100 degree is how much? How do you get to 100 degree?
Times
From
100.
yes. So therefore your this one also must times 100 lah. So it's pi over 180 times 100. So you put the pi. So basically you simplify to this, right? So you simplify 100 divided by 180. What's that? Don't do the pi. I want to put it in terms of pi.
Um, 5/9.
Okay, so it's 5 over 9 pi. So instead of 100 degree, you can put 5 over 9 pi. Okay? So, therefore, it's 5 over 9 pi radian
Okay.
for this angle. And if you want to use degree to represent this angle, it's 100 degree.
Okay.
Understand?
Mm.
Yeah, so that's the meaning of radian.